Welcome back, you guys. We have day 11 of our 14-day challenge. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of cardio and then focusing a lot on our abs. We only have 15 minutes, so we're really going to get into that work right off the bat, starting with some cardio. And don't forget, if you are completing today's challenge, comment below and let me know what you think, and can't wait to keep moving with you. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, bring those feet nice and wide. Start to roll those shoulders back and back. Just getting your body moving. 4, 3, 2, take your rib cage side to side. Activate in those obliques. Keep it tight. Good, now reach those arms straight to the side. 4, 3, 2, we're gonna drop and lift. We go down and up. Down, up. Get that full body moving. We have 4, 3, 2. We're gonna take a little reach over to the right of our space. Go down, reach right, down, reach left. 4, 3, 2. On 1, bring it center, just rack those hips. Get the heart rate elevated. Woo. Let's reach those arms up. Take it down. Last time, last time. We're gonna lunge to the right. We pull in, crunch, and crunch. 8 more right here. Squeeze your abs. Find that exhale. We got 4. We got 3, 2. Now pulse it low. Just press. Press. Stay low. We have 8, 6, woo, in 4, 3, back to center, drop and lift. We go down, up. Four more. You got it. Here's 2. Take that L to the right. Go down. Reach, reach. We have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out, let's go. Woo. Now reach those arms, bring them up. Take it down, one more time. We're gonna take that knee pull, left side, let's go. Pull, in. 8 more, let's go. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, let's pulse it low. Down, down. 8 more pulses. Take it down and down. Woo! 4, 3, bring it back center, little press, down, reach, reach. Pushing against the sides of your space, feel that rotation through your spine. Step, reach, reach. You got it. Reach a little bit higher, go down, up, up. Find that lateral reach side to side. We got 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, let's rock those hips. Shake it out. Woo. We reach those arms up. Take it down. Again, big reach. And press. Right side goes up, in, out, in. Press it away, squeeze it in. 4 more to the right. 3, 2. Left side, let's go. Out, in, reach. 4, 3, 2. Take it up, take it out. We go up, out, up, out. Here's 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down low. Starting to bring that heart rate down just a little bit. Whew. Bring it to your center. It's down and up. Inhale and exhale. 4, 3, 2, on 1. Take a breath and release. All right, you guys, grab a mat and meet me down on the ground. Okay, you guys, head on down to the ground. We're gonna start working our upper abs for this first set of movements. We're gonna begin in a high plank. So go ahead and find your plank, shoulders down, abs tight. We're gonna take a little bear crawl. Right foot in, left foot in, right foot back, left foot back. Keep this tempo. In, out, and out. 2 more slow. In, back, back. Last one slow. Woo, that's it. Good. We're gonna take up that tempo. Right here, you pull right, left, in, out, out. That's it. 4 more. In, out. Try to keep your hips still and quiet. Last 2. Come on. In. Ow. Last one. Finish it. Woo! And hold and freeze. Just breathe right here. 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, on 1. Lower yourself to your mat. Take a little press up into those palms. Breathe. All right, we're gonna shift around onto our backs and head into some more traditional core work. So take your feet flat and then rest your body all the way down on your mat. Woo! Take your hands behind your head. Elbows are wide. We start just with an upper body curl. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. So when you start slow with me, to really feel the muscles that we're engaging, working those upper abs. Lift and lift. Give me 4, 3, 2. We're gonna take up that tempo, pulse it up, go up, up. Let those shoulders hover, soft gaze to the ceiling. Keep the elbows wide, soft gaze up. How are we doing? 8. Go, we have 4, 3. Now lift your legs to a tabletop, slow curl and drop. Curl, drop. Slow it down. You got it. Now we're gonna take up that tempo, curl up, up. Woo! We're here for 8, 6, in 4, 3, extend our legs straight up to the ceiling. Slow curl, take it down. Curl and lower. 2 more, curl and lower. Lift, ready to speed it up. Let's go, take it up. Yes. Are those elbows wide? Press for 8, 6, we have 4, 3, hold it at the top, reach the right arm, reach, center, switch, center, reach for those toes across that chest. 4 more, slow. Get ready, speed it up right here, let's go. Reach, reach, up and up. Reach for those toes, stay elevated off your mat, curl, curl. Stay with me. We're here for 8, 7, little higher, 6, uphold, uphold. Here's 4, 3, in 2, reach both fingertips towards the toes, up, up, curl, curl. Whew. Stay with me, y'all. You got 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, hold and freeze. Reach for those toes, get a little higher. Last 4, 3, 2 on 1. Rest your head. Reach those arms long. Carefully drop your feet down to the mat. Good, dip your knees side to side. Take just a little breather, and we are gonna head into our second and final section. We're gonna meet back in that plank to hit our second side of those bear claws. So go ahead and take your hands under your shoulders. Feet go back, shoulders down. Abs are tight. We have that slow bear crawl. Left foot forward, front. Right foot comes front. Left foot back. Right foot back. Stay slow. Forward, second side, just as much energy and attention. You have 2 more slow. In, push it back, push it back. Last one slow, squeeze, squeeze, press. Let's speed it up right here. We pull in, back, back, in, press, press. Woo! Just 4 more like this. Here's your 4. Here's your 3. Last 2. Last one, you got it. Good, breathe in, hold it here. Last 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, and lower down. Woo! Push it up. All right, you guys, final push. We're gonna focus in on our low abs. So maybe back down where we started on our backs. Yes. Take your legs straight up to the ceiling. Head is flat. Press your palms down. Low back pushes into the mat. You're gonna lower your legs down for 2. Bring the knees in, then extend. So we lower 2. Pull in, only going as low as you can maintain control through the low abs. Push your low back down. You got it, down. In and up, down. In, 2 more sets. Woo! Yes, you got it, last one. Good, hold this one at the top, bend the legs to 90 degrees. You're gonna tap your toes out to a Y, back to the tabletop. So you tap out and away, back center. Keep that low back push down and up. Lower and up. Lower and up. Tap those heels. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Tap those heels. You've got 4 more. Take it down. And up. 3. And up. Last 2. Last one. Hold this one at the top. Extend the legs straight. We're gonna reverse. So the knees are gonna bend in, extend, then we lift for 2. Bend in, extend, lift up for 2. In, out, up, up, in, out, up, up. Woo! Yes, you can, you can. Squeeze, reach, lift for 2. Squeeze, reach, lift for 2. You've got 4. Here's your 3. Last 2. Yes, last one. Woo! Hold this one at the top. You're gonna pull the knees into the chest, extend it out. Pull into the chest, extend it out. Lift and drop. Lift and drop. Just 4. Reach. 3. Reach. 2. Last one. Hold this one out wide. Just hold and freeze. 4. Option to lift your shoulders up. 2. And 1. Bring those knees into your chest. Reach your arms long. Legs go long on the mat. Full body stretch, shake it out. Whew, nice work, you guys. Go ahead and flip onto your front side and take a little cobra stretch for me on your mat. Pushing into those palms, lengthening through the front side of the body. And then tuck your toes under, lift your hips up. And then slowly start to walk your feet into your hands. Bend those knees and rebuild your spine. And give yourselves a big round of applause, you guys. We completed day 11. We crushed it. Comment below and let me know how you did. And we will see you back for tomorrow, day 12. We have 2 more cardios coming up, and tomorrow's gonna be a fun one. So make sure you show up and we'll finish this challenge off together with a bang.